The year just started, so maybe you're looking into your wardrobe, you feel uninspired. Well, maybe the reason why you're feeling uninspired is that you don't have your foundation in order. In this video, I'm going to give you a basics checklist. So say you're starting your wardrobe from scratch, from zero, and you want to know what are the first few things that I should own. This video is for you. All right, starting off with the most basic item of them all, that's a crew neck white t-shirt. I know you see this on all the lists all over the internet, but it's so true. A white t-shirt is super versatile. I'm going to show you so many ways that I style a white t-shirt, both in the winter, in the spring, in the summer, and in the fall, so all year round. Now, equally as important is a white button-up shirt. This can be styled in so many different ways, both casually and dressed up. It's also a fabulous layering piece. Now, the third item is a sweater, and I would say go more towards a chunky sweater instead of a sweatshirt. A sweater, in my opinion, is a little bit more versatile, whereas a sweatshirt is more casual. You can wear a sweater in the winter just on its own. You can layer like a white button-up shirt underneath it, a white t-shirt underneath it. You can throw it on top of your coat as like an extra layer, so way more versatile than a sweatshirt. So it's a much better investment than a sweatshirt. The next item that I cannot imagine my wardrobe without is a high neck bodysuit, like preferably black, but I have like other colors as well. But if you're starting your wardrobe from scratch, go with black. I love these for layering, but I also wear them on their own, like with a nice tailored trouser. It just looks so chic and put together, classic, timeless, all the things. Now, denim, of course you need a good pair of jeans, and my go-to is a medium, like a blue medium wash, high-waisted, like all the time. Like I can't do mid-waist or like low rise at all. And I would say a straight leg is the most timeless denim style. It doesn't go out of style. It always looks nice and put together. And go for a pair of jeans that doesn't have any rips. I mean, the rips were very, very trendy a couple of years ago. They come in and out of style, but if you want to go for something timeless and you want to invest in a good pair, go for the ones that have no rips. Some jeans have a little bit of distressing around the edges, which is fine, but just avoid the rips. All right, tailored trousers are my favorite. Like I live in denim and tailored trousers pretty much. Tailored trousers, the key here is to get them tailored and it sounds a little bit redundant because it's called tailored trouser, but most of the times if you are curvy and petite like me, they don't fit right from the store. So just make sure to get one that fits you right around the thighs, around the hip area, that has enough room. And then if it leaves a gap in the back, just get it tailored. Most of the times I also have to get it hemmed just to fit me like at the right height, but it's so worth it because these are so versatile. I wear them with sneakers for a more casual look, but I also wear them with heels for a more corporate, classy, upscale, put together look. A blazer, I would say go for an oversized blazer, not too oversized if you don't like that style, but don't go for like a fitted blazer. Even though fitted blazers are beautiful, like if you get one that fits you like to the T to perfection, it is beautiful, but it isn't as versatile as a blazer that is a little bit more roomy, more towards the oversized side of things. Those are way more versatile. You can wear them casually, like with a hoodie underneath, but you can also, wear them with a button-up shirt underneath for a more corporate look. So that would be my suggestion to you. All right, the next piece that you have to invest in is a coat, and you can go for two options. I would say a trench coat, which is very versatile and you can style them so many different ways, or a wool coat, which is very practical and can look very, very stylish. So I'm looking to invest in a good trench coat. I want a navy color, so that's like what I'm on the lookout for, but I already have like a khaki one and the classic beige color as well. And with regards to wool coats, I would say invest in a good black wool coat, because this will go with you for years and years to come. And I promise you, you will get so much wear out of it. White sneakers is another like staple. Even if your life is not like super casual, there will be times that you need like a good pair of sneakers. So go for one that's like very minimalistic, that doesn't have like a lot of color in it. Just something simple, white or off-white, just with like something with minimal color is fine. But plain white sneakers always come in clutch when putting a casual outfit together. Loafers is another pair of shoes that I would recommend. Like, I wear my loafers so much, like all year round. They are a very easy pair of shoes to put with outfits. They are comfortable, they look, you know, more put together than sneakers, but still, you know, you don't have to sacrifice on comfort because you're not wearing heels. And if you love like more of that masculine aesthetic, a loafer is just a no-brainer. Heeled boots is another essential. I didn't include like pumps in this video because I don't think those are as versatile as heeled boots. I mean, except if you live in a place that doesn't have really cold weather. But if you live in a place that has seasons, a heeled boot is just such a great investment. Mine doesn't have like a high heel because it's like a mid heel, so I can walk, you know, very comfortably in it for many hours. But it also still, because it has a heel, it looks, you know, very, very classy, put together, feminine as well. So this is like a very great investment if these are the only 3 pairs of shoes that you have in your collection. When it comes to handbags, I would say a tote bag is a must. A tote bag that you can, you know, put your laptop inside if you have that, if you can put your things to go to work, but you can also wear it on the weekends if you are carrying a lot with you. And then another handbag option is a crossbody handbag. This is just very practical in a like practical sense. You can wear it crossbody, you can be hands-free, but you can also, depending on what type of crossbody handbag you get, you can tuck in the strap, wear it as a clutch for date nights. And then 2 other accessories that I think are just hands down essentials. A belt, just a good solid leather belt goes a long way. Like sometimes when you're wearing an outfit and you feel like there is something missing, just try putting a belt on and see if that's it. Doesn't have to be designer, but try to get something like with some gold detailing if you love gold, or silver detailing if that's more your thing. And just that little detail can really elevate your outfit. And then sunglasses. Sunglasses are of course super practical, especially if you live in a place that's like super sunny, but it also like immediately makes the whole look a little bit more interesting, a little bit mysterious. It's just like the cherry on cake a lot of times when it comes to an outfit. So get just, you know, 1 pair of good sunnies and you'll be fine. All right, so that's everything. That's like the checklist. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and this is like more for like my beginners, because I'm sure that if you have been watching my videos, you know all of this already. But sometimes it's still like nice to get like a refresher and to just maybe tick off like all the things that you already have, and maybe you want to add something to your wardrobe that is still an essential, but you want to refresh it, or you want to get like just a different style. That's also the aim of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, like the video if you got some value out of it, and I'll see you in my next one.